Okay, and welcome back to our video. So today we're going to be drawing Godzilla Roaring from Godzilla 2014, and let's get into this. So I'm going to be using the pencil 4B for most of this, and sometimes I'll be using the pencils H. So I'm going to start with the 4B pencil and start with his brow. So it's going to be almost at the top. So it's going to be starting right there. And it's gonna go like that. And I'm going to make it going in like that. He's gonna be roaring up. So yeah, he's gonna be roaring up. And so his top of his snout just comes right about up there. Wait, no, so wait. So I'm gonna bring this down a lot farther. So I'm gonna make it coming down, so his face is basically gonna be most of the picture. So I need to make this a lot bigger, so it's gonna be coming out a lot more like that. And so I'm gonna make it coming up, and then just going to make it come down until it just goes like that. So, and now I'm just going to add some teeth. Right there, and so now we're gonna add the fleshy thing. And so we're gonna add the brow. It's gonna be right about there. So I'm gonna add his nostrils, or just something like that. And I also want this picture to look detailed, because every time I do these pictures, they look really basic, and that's not how I want them to be. For some reason, there's something going right there. And so, just like that. Maybe I don't want that there, whatever. You can, if you like it, you can keep it, but I'm not. And so yeah, just like that. I'm going to bring this down. It's gonna go all the way to the bottom right there. And so I'm gonna bring this other side like this. And so it's gonna be going a bit like that. And so going to bring his jaw point. So it's gonna, his jaw is gonna start right there. And I'm going to make it come down until, so you want to make this part bumpy because a lot of teeth are gonna come in. And so it's just gonna come down go down like that. Yeah, so I don't know so far because, like, I feel like that. Okay, so I think that this part is supposed to be, like, going in a bit more right there. And I feel like I'm supposed to be making that part, like, going in, you know, like, I feel like I'm supposed to be making it kind of more like that. So, yeah, I had never drew this picture before, so I don't know. So, like, I'm gonna fit these teeth in right here, but not really any over there. So his tongue will just come like this. And just gonna like go in from there. So yeah, that's just a nice way to make the tongue. So, okay, so this part is the edge. So this part's not supposed to be that, like, line in the middle. It's supposed to be the edge. So, yeah, just like that. And you know that, like, thing that is under your tongue? I have that right there. So, yeah, just like that. Need to erase more there. It's too much. There's too much erase marks right there. So just like that. Just going to make it like that. And yeah, I want this picture to look detailed. That's the number one thing I want on this picture. For at least to be, like, detailed. Because, like, every time I make, like, these kind of videos or, yeah, something like this, they're always, like, really not detailed. So, yeah, you can make the mouth a bit like that. Just kind of how it looks. So, just gonna be a bit like that. Yeah, so, yeah, I'm almost at 400 subscribers. So, if you subscribe, that really helped me out a lot. So, yeah, please subscribe. And also, yeah, so, yeah, subscribe so I can get 400 subs. And so, me adding some detail. Like that. So now, we're gonna have the spikes. So, but before we do that, okay, so I want to, like, so I think I should make that part go out a lot wider. And so now I'm gonna have the spikes. So they just, like, start right there. They start right there. But then they, like, come like that. And they come like, yeah, so just like that. Then they come like this. this. So, yeah, just put it like that. And so, yeah, just some other ones go there. So, yeah, we have got the head basically in there. And now with the 4B pencil, I'm just gonna bring this. So it's gonna be like coming in. But wait, so I'm gonna like, so like it comes out. No, so like, yeah, not like that. So like, yeah, it goes out like this. Yeah, so more like that. Yeah, I might want to thicken these lines up because when I edit my videos, it makes the lines look like less black. So, wait, what? Yeah, so just like that. When I first started drawing, I thought that it would like look really bad, but it actually didn't. It turned out really good, so I just kept drawing, and it turned out quite good. Yeah, so I've got that, and just some. So now we're gonna use the H pencil. I might not have said H before. I think I might have not said it. And so yeah, now we're just gonna do that with it. Spikes. And yeah, we're basically done. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to make my neck a bit wider. My Godzilla's neck a bit wider because I don't know, but I just wanted to. And also, it's fine to leave those race marks there. They actually make quite good details. So yeah, you can leave those there if you'd like. But so now I'm going to just add some just some little bit of spikes up right there. Yeah, I really wanted this picture to be detailed, and that turned out to be good. So yeah, that's what's good about this picture. So yeah. Yeah, so basically got everything. I feel like I'm forgetting something. And again, I feel like this neck is too skinny. I don't know why, but I feel like it's too skinny. Okay, that's better. Right when I end the video, it's blue lights. Okay, so whatever, so. Ooh. Okay, that's a bit better. So, yeah. That is it for today's video on how to draw Godzilla Roaring 2014. See you in the next one.